Hello. Listen to this. This is the sound of letter C because teacher Malu will teach about the sound of letter C. Letter C sound.
We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter C.
Letter C.
This is a capital C. This is a lowercase c. You know how the C looks now. Let's make the letter C sound. K, 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 k. Yes! C is for car. C is for carrot. C is for crocodile. C is for cat. C is for crab. C is for crayon. You know some C words now. Let's make the letter C sound. K, 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 k. Your turn. K, 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 k. C. Hi kids, my name's Jackson and thanks for watching. I hope you
So you heard about the letter C sound. Letter C has two sounds. Mi song siang. Okay. Mi song siang. This is the hard sound of C. Hard sound of C. Like k, 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 k. It's like K. Okay. So here is the general rule. What is the general rule? คือทั่วไป Okay. คือทั่วไป General rule แปลว่าคือทั่วไป So if the letter C is with letter A, letter O, and letter U, it sounds like K. Again. So this is the general rule or พูดทั่วไป If the letter C is with letter A, letter O, and letter U, it sounds like K or K. Okay? ตัว C คือขับตัว A ขับตัว O และตัว U คือเสียงว่า Okay? Say it. That is the hard sound of C. Okay? What is the hard sound of C? Okay? Say it again. What is the hard sound of C? Okay. So if you can see that the letter C is with letter A, letter O, and letter U, the sound of letter C will become K. Okay. These are the example. So C with A,ใช่ไหม? So this one, C with A. So what will be the sound? What will be the sound of C? It will become K. That's why, how do you read this one? Ka, ka, because the sound of A is A. So, ka, B, net. Say it again. Ka, B, net. How about this one? C is with letter U. So how do you read this one? Q, ba. Q, ba. Okay. This one. C with letter O. Okay. C with letter O. So, me, D. Okay. Me, D. And how about this one? C with letter A. Okay. So because C with letter A, hayด้วย. Okay. C with letter A, what is the sound? It will become K. Cartoon. Say it again. Cartoon. How about this one? If the Z with letter O again, how do you read this one again? Ko, ro, na. Again, ko, ro, na. How about this one? So the C is with letter O again. How do you read? Cold. Say it again. Cold. How about this one? C with letter U. Cuddle. 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 Again. How do you read this one? Cabinet. Say it again. Cabinet. How about this one? Cuba. Cuba. How about this one? Comedy. Comedy. How about this one? Cartoon. Cartoon. How about this one? Corona. Corona. How about this one? Cold. Cold. How about this one? Cuddle. Cuddle. Again, huh? This is the hard sound of C. Okay. Another. This is the soft sound of C. Soft sound of C. Soft is siang bao. Okay, siang bao of letter C. I don't know hard siang bao. Soft sound, pawa siang bao. So these are the rule. Okay, here is the general rule. What is a general rule again? Put to a pie. Okay, general rule. If So this is the general rule. Kutuapai. What is the soft sound of C? Okay. If the letter C is with letter I, letter E, and Y, it sounds like S. Again, this is the general rule. What is a general rule? Kutuapai. So because this is the soft sound of C, it sounds like S. How about this? So if the letter C is with letter I, letter E, and Y, it sounds like S. If คือตาตัว C คืออยู่กับตัว I อยู่กับตัว E และอยู่กับตัว Y คือเป็นเสียง S. Okay? So these are the examples. Okay, so these are the example. So because the letter C is with the letter I, so what will be the sound of C? It will become S. Follow after me. S. C T. C T. Follow after me. Repeat after me. C T. Okay, good. How about this one? C T sen. Say it again. C T sen. How about this one? Because C is with letter E. Okay. C with letter E. How do you read? The sound will become center. Say it again. Center. Okay. How about this one? C with what letter? What letter is this? It's letter I. So what will be the sound of C? It will become S. Okay. So how do we read this one? Sin, de, re, la. Okay. Say it again. Sin, de, re, la. Okay. Another one. C is with letter E. Se, re, lak. Say it again. Se, re, lak. How about this one? C with letter E again. How do we read? Se, le, ri. Say it again. Se, le, ri. Celery. How about this one? C with letter E. Se, less, tall. Say it again. Se, less, tall. Celestial. How about this one? Cement. 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 How about this one? If the letter C is with letter Y, the sound will become S also. Okay. So how do we read this one? Cycle. cycle. So these are the cycle of the butterfly, okay? Cycle, okay? Cycle, cycle, okay? How about this one? C with letter Y again, sorry. So how do we read this one? Symbol. Say it again. Symbol. Okay, let us read again. Everybody, repeat after me. City. Okay, this one, repeat after me. Citizen. Okay, how about this one? Center. This one, Cinderella. Okay, Cinderella. Do you know Cinderella? Okay, how about this one? Cerelac. Cerelac. Do you eat Cerelac? How about this one? Celery. Do you eat celery? How about this one? Celestial. Celestial. Okay. How about this one? Cement. How about this one? Cycle. Cycle. This one? Symbol. Okay. So these are the two sounds of the letter C. Please practice reading. Okay, please practice reading the two sounds of letter C. What are the two sounds of letter C again? So, if the letter C is with letter A, letter O, and letter U, the sound will become what? K. Okay, sounds like K. Sounds like K. Again, if the letter C is with, wait. If the letter C is with letter A, letter O, and letter U, the sound will become K. Okay. Can you give me another example of words that begins with letter C? Okay. What are the examples? Who can give me another example? We have nut, right? Nut. What else? We have, what else? How do you read this one? Candy. Candy. Okay. Candy. Okay. What else? Who can give another example? How about this one? Do you know this one? Cucumber. 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 Okay. So if the letter C is with letter A, letter O, and letter U, the sound will become K. Okay. That is the hard sound of letter C. Like for example, nut. Coconut. What is coconut? Mapraw. How about this one? Candy. Candy. What is candy? Lokom. How about this one? Cucumber. Cucumber. What is cucumber? Tengkwa. Di siya malulu. Tengkwa. How about this one? This is the soft sound of C. soft sound is siyang bao. Okay, so if the letter C is with letter I, letter E, and letter Y. Okay, so if the letter C, UCAP I, UCAP E, and Y, the sound will become what? We can say F, the sound will become S, right? So it will become S. It's like a snake, okay? S. Like what? Like what? C, T, okay? C, T. How about what else? Who can give me another example of letter C with letter I, letter E, and letter Y? Okay, so sim. Oh, sorry, I forgot the letter C. Sim. Wow. What is a cymbal? It's a music instrument. Okay, it's a music instrument. And what else? If the letter C is with E, letter E is center. Center. Okay. So read again. City, cymbal, center. So these are the two sounds of letter C. It is the hard sound. Siyang leng, lutaw, I don't know. Hard sound. But I know soft sound is siyang bao. Okay? Soft sound is siyang bao. Okay? So these are the two sounds of letter C. What are the two sounds of letter C again? It's okay. And then okay. So these are the two sounds. And then so this is our lesson for today. See you again next week for the phonics sound, phonetic sound. Okay. Goodbye. See you again next week.